What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So we're gonna install the second part of the mods. It's not too exciting, only two things, just the radiator guard and the engine guard, which honestly is what I've been waiting for more than any of this, because I just want to have these ones first on there, but now they're here. Better late than never. So these are pretty easy to install. It's only a few bolts. So this one is just, you have to assemble it a little bit, and then it's just held on by brackets. And this is just sandwiched in between the radiator shroud here, and it's very easy. This is probably like a 5-minute video. So let's just get started, and I'll show you guys how it's installed. Alright guys, so here is the engine guard installed. It's just two brackets, one at the top there and one at the bottom. The bottom one is just in line with these two bolts. There's a bracket that goes into the stock bolts down here. Very easy install. And all supplied screws are here, and it's just right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. This grill insert here is also detached when it ships to you. So there's, if you can see in here, there's some nuts here, and you just have to install those and tighten them up. It's a very basic install. That's why I didn't feel like giving you a step-by-step on this. You can just follow Evotech. It's very straightforward. We're gonna move on to this other straightforward install, which is the radiator guard, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright you guys, we are done. Unfortunately, it's not as exciting as, there's not much to it. There's one bolt here, and there's two on the bottom, right there. So there's just one on each side, and it's just sandwiched together. Under here, there is, you have to put some foam. It's provided, like a foam kind of sticker. So it's like there's like a leading edge on the radiator, so it doesn't rattle, because that kind of dampens the surface from the contact point between the radiator and the radiator guard. So it's provided, you just stick it on there, and that's it. So solid, looks really good, and a little bit of an insurance in case you hit a rock or something like that into your radiator, and also your engine. The engine is very exposed. It's like right next to the tire, so anything else is gonna get beat up. You kind of really need to have one of these. So there it is. I'll give you guys a wide angle shot here. I am using a new camera, so I don't know if you guys notice if this is a good quality or not. Just let me know. So anyway, that is the status of the Super Duke. Sooner or later, I'll have the other mods come in. Actually, I have the Evotech fender eliminator in here. It's not assembled, so I can't really show you what it looks like, but if you look at the website, it's a regular looking one where the license plate is angled outside. I'm kind of liking the new Rage cycles right now. So as you can see here, I like the side profile of the new Rage cycles. See, like it really complements the bike, because before I used the kind of standard looking one, more legal, it's not tucked in. Some cops might give you a hard time when your license plate is tucked in like that, but I haven't had it happen yet, but it looks good like this. So now it's just missing is the power mods. I guess I'll wait, and I don't know, I'm trying to wait until after 600 miles. I have 200 miles in already. I'm trying to ride it some more, so yeah, just stay tuned for that. There is a new, there is two exhaust options I'm looking into, both that are sold by Rottweiler, which is the Tecmo and of course the Akrapovic exhaust. So the Tecmo is a little bit of a cost savings. I don't have a problem with choosing Tecmo. I just haven't seen a lot of reviews on them, the people that actually bought them and put them on the Super Duke. The Akrapovic is Akrapovic, okay, is well documented, and I've had one before, so I know the quality and all that. So I'm willing to give a Tecmo a try if I can find more videos about on people having them without baffles on and actually riding them on the street and stuff like that. So there's only one video so far, which is Rottweiler's video, and I think they had the baffle on, so I can't really decide if that's really the sound I'm looking for. But it's pretty much the same, so I think I'm safe either way. So I just gotta flip a coin. Both are titanium. So they all pretty much look alike as well. I don't know if the so the Tecmo header section. Let's go to this side. The Tecmo header section does not have a lot of kind of joint welds. So when it blues, it doesn't have a lot of bluing portions. I don't know if the whole thing will change color or something like that, but it's kind of a little bit plain like this, and there's only a couple titanium welds on some parts. But if you remember, the Akrapovic has a lot, so a lot of bluing segments. So I don't know. So whatever you prefer, I don't know which one I prefer. If I can save a lot of money with a Tecmo, I'll probably choose the Tecmo. So I'll probably just choose the Tecmo actually. But the Akrapovic has Super Duke written on the side of it, so it is really a toss-up. So it's really both are. That's the decision I'm kind of wrestling with. Also, to flash or to do a power commander, I think flash is the way this time around. I'm gonna give it a shot. So, all right, guys. Hopefully that wasn't that's a little too short, but that's all I could do for right now. I think that's all the parts that I ordered so far. It's basically all just everything else but the power mods. So if you guys enjoyed that, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.